Hi friends, Claudia here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to talk to you about a geometric design which I am going to create, and I'm pulling out different colors for this design, as you will see in a minute, and we will start right away. Here I'm starting by making a stencil, which is very easy to do. I'm just tearing a little bit of paper. You can take any cardstock, and the idea is to make a geometric design because I'm going to take part in the Pinkfresh challenge, which I love very much. So now here I'm ripping off the inside of the torn circle, and there it is. We are ready to start with the actual design, that is to say the background. And the plan is to have a background made up of 3 different colors. So I'm starting to ink blend my first color into this torn circle stencil. This was the yellow one, and now we're going to go with the green color. And as you will see in a minute, the colors are drawn from the photo. So the 3 colors are yellow, green, and a deep purple. And I don't know about you, but I'm a little obsessed with colors, so I've taken it a little bit too far, I guess, because I like to take the colors straight out of the photo. And this photo, as you will see in a while, is taken from my garden. And my garden is a great source of inspiration for me at all times. And all the colors are actually displayed in the photo. Now, the background is done. As you can see, it looks not as perfectly blended in, but it doesn't matter because the colors will blend into each other. And here she is, my statue. She's called Lily, and she stands in the garden amid lilies. And I've popped her up a little bit so that she will come in a minute here right in the center of what I did. That's where she belongs. And as you can see, I ripped also the perimeter of the photo and the mat. Next up, I'm going to do some stenciling, and this is the geometric leaf stencil. The overlapping geo-leaf stencil, I think it's called, to be correct, and it's by Pinkfresh, and it has 5 different stencils. Number 1, I line it up now with a little bit of a pencil marker so that I know exactly where to put the other stencils, and I'm starting off with yellow. Of course, as I said before, the 3 colors have to be in the background too, and I'm using this now to create the second layer of my background. And as it is geometric, I'm going to do a geometric stenciled background. And this is the green one. Next up is the purple one again. I'm using the same colors as I used for the background, stencil number 5. And we're almost done. That's the easiest one, just a few bits. And here we go. Right, so now I'm taking the die, and with the die I'm cutting it all out, and here we have the beautiful die cut piece, which I'm going to adhere now just as it is, and I'm not even popping it up. I just adhere it as it is, flat, because you will see in a minute that I will zhuzh up the sides of this beautiful die cut piece, and that will also give texture. And here we have the photo again. So I'm adhering it now, not too much over the die cut, because I don't want to cover up too much, as this is the center piece, one of the center pieces, and it's also the theme, a geometric layout. So that's what we want to do. We don't want to cover it up. And I thought, I do have to fussy cut a few more leaves to drape around her, and for this I used a different collection. It's called Delightful, also by Pinkfresh, no surprise here, because I was looking for something in purple, and that was the only paper I could find that had something in purple which I could add to my layout, because I have the green, I have the yellow, but I felt something purple was missing. So I'm just die cutting those leaves, and I'm going to drape them around the photo. And as you can see, it has the green of the leaves in it, the purple of the salvia flowers, and the yellow of the Stella de Oro lilies, which I love so much. And I'm now starting to drape it, to position the leaves around the lower perimeter of the photo, because I want to have the look of everything coming out and kind of an organic look, I guess. And I'm trying to stagger the leaves a little bit, filling them in here and there to have a little bit of texture, and layering them up a little one by one. Also the little pieces I have for some added fullness. And I actually like how it's coming together. And I make sure to put the leaves on the purple portion of my background, the ink blended background, so that it won't get too busy. So that's how it looks so far. And I will start to fill it in also now with the title. The title of this is the first part. It's called Sunshine. And this is a die cut from the Sunshine on My Mind ephemera. And then I thought it might be nice to do a three-part title. So this is the second one, Summer, Sunshine, and then, as you will see in a minute, I'll add a third word, and that is the name Lily. So now here's a small other ephemera I found. I'm just tucking that in for more fullness of the design. And another die cut piece from another paper of Sunshine on My Mind. And here comes a yellow part just right underneath the yellow flowers in the picture, and some purple, so that I have all the colors which I have picked out: the green, the yellow, and the purple. And here's another piece I found in my collection, and it's a puffy sticker which fits the bill. And here now comes something which I came up later with that idea. I thought it might be nice to fill it in again, to use part of that lovely die cut geoleaf, because it felt empty, the corner. And now I feel that the photo with the statue on it is kind of framed. And here you see me filling in part number 3 of the title, the name Lily. So it says Summer, Sunshine, Lily, which is the title of my layout. And here I'm filling in another little piece. It's a chipboard piece, an ampersand. Watch me removing that later on, because I just don't like it. Now, for more fullness and to fill in the leaves a little bit more, because I like the leaves to be really full, as they are in reality, so I die cut something else out here in 3 different places, as you can see where the arrows are, to fill in with white die cuts. And that almost completes the layout. I'm just putting in a little bow here with purple baker's twine to finish off the design. And I like it where the green arrow is. I also put some white on white leftover die cuts, as you can see here too at the top. And I'm now finishing off the whole design with some of my Dymo label maker journaling, which I like to do. Now this almost concludes it. I'm just filling in with a few more enamel dots on the top, and at the bottom, on the bottom, I add some purple ones. And then here, that's the part when I remove the ampersand. Now that concludes our session today. I like to create with you, and check out the other links for more ideas on clean and simple designs. See you again soon. Bye for now.